Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel Study Gyan Aayna. Today our topic is parts of body name. Face, F-A-C-E, face means chehra. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes means aankh. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose means naak. Chick, C-H-E-E-K, chick means gal. Ear, E-A-R, ear means kaan. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair means baal. Lips, L-I-P-S, lips means hot. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth means daat. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck means gardan. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand means haath. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow means kohni. Thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb means angutha. Fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers means ungliya. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach means pet. Navel, N-A-V-E-L, navel means nabhi. Legs, L-E-G-S, legs means pair. Toes, T-O-E-S, toes means पैर की उंगलियां. Shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder means कंधा. Wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist means कलाई. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin means thodi. Heel, H-E-E-L, heel, heel means एड़ी. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel Study Gyan Aayna.